How to complete a descale on the S-Lite. Press the 3 lines in the top left of the screen, Service menu, password 1709 and press OK. Go to Maintenance setting, Descaling and press OK. Take out the water tank and remove the filter. Now fill your water tank with 2 litres of warm water and insert 2 sachets of descaling powder. Now we're going to pour our descaling powder into the warm water. Once your descaler is in the tank, put the tank back into the machine. Now start the process by pressing OK. This will take around 10 minutes. Once that process is finished, remove the water tank, empty it and clean it. Put the tank back into the machine and then press OK. Press back, the cross at the bottom, and you are back to the home screen. Remove the water tank and empty it, then insert the filter. Once the tank has been refilled, put it back into the machine and your descale is now complete.